Puro kami si Rachel ah. Tingnan niya kung natutunan mo sa kanya. Anong sound ng dog? Very good. Sound ng cat? Wow! Anong sound ng lizard? Very good. Sound ng tiger? Wow! Very good ah. Dahil mo nang natutunan ah. Asan mami? Asan mami? Asan mami? Ba yan? Sige, ito na lang. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Bakit ganon? Mabis ka. Alis tayo. Mukhang maling pyesa yung naikabit sa'yo. Kakapanood mo yung kay Miss Rachel.